Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can find me over there and you can DM me if you want. Alright, let's see. For my Aries, October 2021, how's gonna go and what are the energies for my Aries for October 2021? Aries. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the King of Swords in reverse. All right, so let's see. Okay, so your overall energy is the King of Swords in reverse, my dear Aries, and this could be you, this can be some other person, because there is some kind of a tyranny which I'm getting, that somebody is trying to dominate you at that level, or this can be your energy where you are feeling that dominance somewhere and you are not accepting it, you do not want to accept it. There could be some bad past in regards with dominancy, so your bad memories are coming out and you're feeling a little bit in that zone where you had that kind of a bad past. It can be love related, it can be child related, when you were child and you had experienced some kind of a bad past. But yeah, this is not a very good energy, honestly, because when we start to think about all the memories of the past, we actually are living in the past. You are not living at the present. It could be somebody who might be going through some kind of a betrayal moment, and somebody might have betrayed you in the past, so that is why those things are coming up, and you actually are getting the energy of a bad person you were with, and those energies are coming into light. Okay, so in the past we have the Knight of Pentacles, Page of Swords and the Six of Wands in reverse. There was a person, I don't know whether it's your energy or someone else's, but yes, there is a person who was trying to get involved into something. He or she was taking things slow in the relationship or in some kind of a situation, but things were going slow. But still, when we are slow and steady, when we are slow but we are trying to analyze each and every situation, what is going on, we are keeping an eye on someone. So yes, there was a person who was keeping an eye on you continuously, and they were just taking it slow. They were trying to show commitment. They were trying, could be a Taurus you were dealing with, but they were trying to convince you. They were trying to show that they want commitment, they want long-term commitment. That is what the situation is, but it was all fake. You found out somewhere that things were fake about this person. Okay, at present we have the Ten of Swords in reverse, Ace of Cups in reverse and Judgment. So because of this this emotional drain in the love part, whatever has happened, although I'm seeing that yes, you are recovered from that bad past, honestly, my dear Aries, but because of that emotional drainage, you have taken some kind of steps, or you have taken some decisions in your life, and you are actually trying to get over it because you want to get over it. In the future we have the High Priestess, Ten of Cups in reverse and the Seven of Wands. Yeah, I'm seriously seeing a very different kind of an Aries. This Aries is actually behaving like a Cancer or a Virgo, but yeah, emotional, because of somebody behaving towards you like not good. So this Aries is like, you know, I need time to heal now. So yeah, healing is going on. You know, somewhere whatever decisions you are going to take, you know somewhere that no, this is not the person I'm going to accept anymore, because, or these kind of people I'm not going to accept, because you know somewhere you might meet this kind of a person again, but you know where you are going to accept or not. Okay, so let's see your clarifiers. Let's see. Tell me more about the King of Swords in reverse, please. Tell me more about the King of Swords in reverse. We have the Hermit in reverse, Eight of Pentacles, and the Nine of Wands. Okay, so yeah, emotionally you are not available for anyone right now. You are, because of the bad things whatever has happened, because you have actually closed off yourself somewhere. Your closing energies are coming up because you are focused more into your work, you are more into your finances. You're showing, you know, some maturity level is actually seen in your energies, Aries, and it's really good. Somewhere some kind of healing is needed, although you are trying to heal, because in the future it is coming up like, you know, that you do not want some people like these with whom you have met in the past, but it's really hard to digest that. Whether you are healed or whether you are healing, you do not know yet, because you think you are working, you are busy somewhere, so you are healed, you feel that, but honestly it's not exactly, because the Hermit has come up in reverse. So yeah, there is some kind of healing which is required. You feel that you are healed, but no, it's not as we are saying, as you are saying. Okay, so let's see the past energies. Tell me more about the Six of Wands in reverse, please. Three of Wands, the Chariot, and the Two of Swords. Yeah, okay, so it seems like you were waiting for somebody to say yes to you. You were waiting for a commitment, although this person showed that they are going to commit to you, but it failed. You know, you lose in that situation. You were, but still after losing, you were waiting for a yes from the person who was not at all sure about the situation. I feel that you were really involved with this person, Aries. You were really positive about this person. Basically, they were showing that they are committed towards you, but you were actually committed towards them. Okay, one more thing, this reading can be taken vice versa as well. The roles can be reversed, so take what resonates. Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles. I want to know about the Knight of Pentacles, please, for my Aries in the past energies. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Wands with the Two of Wands in reverse. Yeah, this was something new. This relationship was new. It was like a spark. Everywhere there was a spark when you meet this person, when you used to hang out with this person, but you found some slowness, you found some delays, as in, like, you know, whenever you wanted to go on a trip, for example, hypothetically I'm saying, you want to go on a trip, they would like to cancel the trip, or they were the ones who used to cancel, they were the ones who used to delay the things. And it was like, wow, you are never here when I want you, you never say yes to when I want you to say yes. They were like, oh, because of this and this reason. But honestly, these were the hints which the universe wanted to give it to you, my dear Aries. Tell me more about the Ten of Swords in reverse for the present energies for my Aries. Four of Wands in reverse, the Hanged Man in reverse with the Devil. At present, you are broken up with this person. It's a breakup, or the breakup is already going. You are already, you have left that area, left that place. All from basically physically, you have left that person, but from mentally, emotionally, it's a little emotional drainage, I would say. There are things you are really not ready to accept because things went so bad all of a sudden. You still feel attracted towards this person somehow. Although I don't see any practical meeting or physical meeting with this person, but yes, there's a strong attraction towards them from your side. Tell me more about the Judgment in the present energies for my Aries. Judgment. Ten of Wands in reverse, Page of Wands and the King of Wands. Wow. Okay, so I feel that there is someone else also who has come up in your life, for some of you only, but yeah, there is an entry of a new person, but because of that only you are feeling that emotional drainage, because you are not ready, or you are not able to give your 100% to this person because of the bad past, because you are releasing the bad past before you want to move further. And that is the decision you are trying to take at present with this person, with this new person, because you do not want to enter into any relationship right now, until and unless you will heal, you will just let go of the past person. So yeah, this is the decision making you are taking right now. It's good. For some of you, you are into, if this is not a person you have met, for some of you it's a kind of a new passion, new interest you are going into, because you do not want to stay in that situation, you do not want to stay in that energy, so you are trying to move away. You are still, since you are wanting to move away from that situation, you want to pursue new things, like new skills or something new, something like decision making things. So yeah, you are working on yourself. That is what I'm seeing, Aries. Tell me more about the High Priestess in the future energies. Okay, Knight of Cups with the Knight of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. I feel that somebody from the past is coming towards you again to tell you that they are actually coming towards you as a commitment. They are trying to show it to you that they are committed towards you, but these people, they just come and go. Okay, Aries, I don't see them like coming back, but not with a 100% like a proposal, because it's the Knight of Cups, my dear friends. They just come with the cup, Knight of Cups. They propose you, but they do not stay longer. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to accept this person or not. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands, because I don't see that happening. I don't see that you are actually acting, you're actually accepting, because it's the Ten of Cups in reverse. Because of that bad memories and bad past and bad family, I would say, the emotions went so wrong, and so that is the reason you have blocked these people. You are ignoring these people to come towards you. And you know somewhere, the best part, somewhere that they are going to come back towards you. Okay, so too many. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands in the future energies, although I do not want any clarification, but okay, so the cards says it all. So we have the Three of Swords, we have the Knight of Swords, and we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. So Aries, it's a no from your side. That is what I am seeing. Yeah, you are grown up, Aries. You are not at all any more childish, because Aries are very lovey-dovey kind of people. They're childish, they want to explore. But yeah, you are something different. I'm talking about, I don't know which Aries is this, whosoever resonates with you, but that resonates with this reading. But yeah, this is definitely a very mature Aries for whom I'm talking about today. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Aries. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.